So most of the germination process is done. I have multiple seedlings or just one for each plant. Like this is the purple eggplant seedlings. I have transferred most of them outside. This is still the ginger, turmeric, and another ginger, which hasn't sprouted yet, but which is normal, which takes much longer to grow. But the smaller seedlings have already sprouted. I'm moving them outside, not just because they're sprouted, but the weather is better. So if you have the chance, it's best to move it outside and get it acclimated to the outdoor weather. As you can see, most of these seedlings have sprouted. Since the weather is above 40 degrees per night on average, I decided to move them outside. Like the small seedlings in each pot, like these ones, I will remove and keep the healthiest seedling because I only need one per pot. If I need more of them, I can transfer to another pot. Right now, I'm keeping these plants under a patio without direct sunlight because it was under a grow light. If you put direct sunlight, they will burn and die because they're not used to that. So slowly, under the course of a week, I'm slowly going to adjust it, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, and then full sun. And that will make sure the plants don't immediately die. I have my ginger, turmeric, and ginger again here. And since these aren't sprouted yet, which is actually good because I don't need to take the time to adjust this to the sun. I can just immediately put it in the sun because the leaves haven't sprouted yet, which is much easier to transport outside. Yeah. Since anyways I was moving my indoor germinated seeds outside, I realized it's a good idea to move the garage plants outside as well, since the temperature was already fine, and as soon as we can acclimate it to the outdoor weather again, it can start growing properly. If you've seen in my previous videos, all the lemons, citrus, curry leaves, and the hibiscus I had in pots I'm moving outside. I am putting these near the fence because the fence blocks most of the light until in the summer when it goes to the top. So until then, I am keeping it here, and then slowly I'm going to move it out into the full sun, because if you keep it directly in full sun, the leaves will start turning white and burn, because they've been used to having no sun for about 3-4 months now. It was nice to see that before even 5 minutes of moving it outside, bees and other pollinators got attracted to our plants and started pollinating the flowers.